everybody? It's me, and we are back again for another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. I told you guys, it is Sunday, so I'm splitting these videos up. You see the same clothes, same hair, same do, same everything. However, on this episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda, we have some candied sweet potatoes or candied yams, however you want to put it. So I'll tell you, like I do every video, if you would like to be part of G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. That way you are notified every time we upload a new video. Now, on this pot back here, we have about, how many sweet potatoes did you cut up? 4 sweet potatoes that have been cut up and are in the pot back there, coming to a boil. Actually, they're boiling. So we're going to make sure that they're just fork tender. And then we're going to drain those and add our butter and our sugars and our nutmeg and cinnamon and put those in the oven for a wonderful, wonderful side dish to our Sunday meal. I know y'all see cabbage sitting right here because that is one of the things that we are doing today, some fried cabbage. And we will see you back in a bit when we are ready to pan up our sweet potatoes and get those going so that you can see the different steps on how to make your candied sweet potatoes. Alright, we will see you back here in just a bit. We are back to get these sweet potatoes popping. I have my foil pan here. If you don't have a foil pan, just use a regular pan. We just try to have as less dishes as possible. So right now the sweet potatoes are fork tender and they have been draining behind me in the sink, so we're going to grab those and add them to our foil pan. Right now also the oven is preheated, as you just heard it. It has preheated to 350 degrees, and that's what these sweet potatoes are going to go in the oven on. So let's grab these. Now we're also going to add some butter to this, and I have about 2/3 of a stick of butter that I'm just cutting up into pads of butter. If you feel like you want to add more butter to yours, then go right ahead. I have an extra stick over here just in case. And we're just gonna drop it in around. Get it all nestled in. And we're just going to add the goodness to it. Do you know what the goodness is? Do you know what the goodness is? Do you know what the goodness is? Some cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Now with this, you guys, I'm so sorry. I think that I'm eyeballing this, but you really are gonna have to season to taste on this, because this, I tell you, this look like it might be 2 tablespoons. That's what it look like of the cinnamon, but I could definitely be wrong. So we got some ground nutmeg here, and I'm just gonna do a couple of shakes because you don't want to have too much nutmeg. Is some Mexican vanilla. If you just have regular vanilla, that is fine. But this stuff right here, We're just going in with about a teaspoon of vanilla. Now with our sugars, you have a white sugar and you have a brown sugar. You'll see my scoop right here. I'm just going to sprinkle this all over. With white. And again with the brown sugar. Right in the pan. Just folding it over itself. Because you just want to get all the sugars, the vanilla, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the butter, get it all incorporated. Go in the oven with a little bit of additional sugar over the top. And you just smooth it back out. If some of your potatoes break down as mine is, it is okay. Like, it ain't nothing to call the law over. It's gonna all eat the same. I'm going to add a little bit more sugar. Well, first let me add some more butter. I told you I had another stick of butter. And I've also said before, anytime I'm baking or doing dishes like this, I use regular butter. Real butter. So you guys put in the comment section if you do your sweet potatoes any different than this. I know some people may add marshmallows. If you may add pecans or something like that to yours, that's also very good. But let me know what you guys do in the comment section to your sweet potatoes. And I'm just adding a light sprinkle here of the white sugar. Lord have mercy. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the brown, because that's going to make for a nice coating over the top. And we're just going to put this in the oven, 350 degrees, as I mentioned earlier, until everything is nice and bubbly and consistent with one another. And we will see you guys back here in a few minutes when it's all ready to go. Okay, y'all, so we back this up. I'm about to do the taste test for the Candied Yams. Here we go. Just make sure it's not dripping nothing. If it is, it's gonna catch in my hand. Look at the steam. Y'all see the steam just flying up? It's right all up and through there. Okay. Y'all need to know. Yeah. Yeah. Them beans and them sweet potatoes, how they feel? Your face is priceless. It don't matter, it's a potato, it holds heat. Oh Lord.
Other than the fact that it was hot. It was good. It was like, it was perfectly cooked. The sweetness is there. And the butter gives it like, let's see, savory. Yeah, it's savory base. So, I might eat the whole pan by myself.
No, you ain't either. You tried it.
He tried it, y'all. So, here is finished product. And if you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button, notification bell, so that you can be notified every time we post a new video. And we'll see you next time on Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Bye.